Welcome back to another road trip. The Magat Dam is a large rock-filled dam on the island of Luzon in the Philippines. It is at the boundary between the municipalities of Alfonso Lista in the province of Ifugao and Ramon in Isabela. The dam is located on Magat River, a major tributary of Cagayan River, the longest river in the country. Constructed in 1983, Magat Dam is one of the largest dams in the Philippines and has two primary purposes: as a source of irrigation water and as a provider of hydroelectric power. The northeast of Luzon Island lies the second largest province in terms of land area in the whole Philippines, the Queen Province of the North, Isabela. Popularly known as the corn capital of the Philippines, but there's more than that. 1 million hectares of combined agriculture land, rolling hills and thickly forested mountains, plus unspoiled coast, Isabela is a tourist gem in the making. So,
ulit. Wow, what?
rolling hills.
Sasabihin na naman nila, bakit wala sila? Hindi nakatalon. Yan na yun, sabi ko.
Ito na yan. This is the highest point in Santiago City, Isabela, at 173 meters above sea level. Balintocatoc is also famous for its holy hill, where the shrine of Our Lady of La Salette stands. Statues of different saints depicting biblical scenes are situated along the winding road to the hilltop. A chapel crowns the hill, a perfect venue for those who seek a peaceful and solemn meditation and worshiping. Isang buwan po. Tilapia?
Oo.
Ah, ang galing oh. Paggabi.
Ito ang harvestable sa September.
Wow. So, ilang pieces po yan usually? May limit po ba?
Oo, sa area.
Ah, para maganda yung laki nila, no?
May halong dito ito.
Wow! Ayos ah.
Alam mo yung dito, yung mga dito na nakani dito. Alam mo, nag-harvest ako last time.
Ayun, hito.
Oo.
Ang laki.
Ay, kano lang yan.
Wait.
At sa nga pulong yung kabing nila dito, nag-harvest. At namang tiwat ko dyan.
Yeah.
On the same ground, huwag mong satisipin, hindi ka naman.
Oh, memorize.
Sabihin sa
Pag-usapan ng mga negatibo, pangyayari sa pangalanan sa mundo. Kinabukasan na